Go on.
Yes, you say something about point of order.
Yes, point of order delegate that was not coming from Jordan, Jordan, I guess.
It was. Yeah, it
Yes,
was.
it
Yeah.
Okay then. Our bad.
So, if the delegation of any country in the Security Council will use armed forces against the United States of America, we would like to warn every country in this committee that the United States will attack against in defense.
Thank you, Delegate.
And we cannot deny or prove any information that has not been corrected by the Secretary of the United States of America.
Do you open yourself to any points of information? Are there any points? Spain, you have.
But is the delegate aware that the most of the we're thinking that most of the and all of the countries now in the SC will have also force against with you because there are also P4, P5 countries and 4 of these were supporting us.
Well, we will do something about that. We will talk with Vladimir Putin about this subject. Obama has just called him and he will talk about it.
Thank you, Delegate. Are there any further points of information? Japan?
The delegation of the United States of America knows that he is not the only country in this world.
Yes, we are aware of that.
Thank you, Delegate. Are there... Please yield the floor.
Before we do